Happy Holi, honey buns. It's a bright and festive day in Tinseltown, but everyone seems to be keeping the party a private affair. From stars sharing glimpses of their low-key but classy Holi parties to Ajay Devgan managing to get tangled in vicious rumors. Fatima Sana Sheikh becoming the latest B-Town star to test positive. Here are the biggest headlines of the day. So what if there are no extravagant Holi parties this year? Bollywood is keeping up the festive spirit with low-key parties with the fam or simply sharing priceless throwback memories from Holi celebrations gone by. From Priyanka getting the Jonas family to join the festivities to Kareena sharing glimpses of Taimur and Inaya's Holi pool party, Kangana Ranaut joining in the celebrations with her Tejas team to Ananya Pandey taking a trip down memory lane with Suhana and Shania. Everyone from Akshay Kumar to Abhishek Bachchan, Karan Johar to Sanjay Dutt, Neetu Kapoor to Tiger Shroff and many other Bollywood stars have been doing their bit to spread good cheer and advice to people to stay home and stay safe this festive season. One star not reveling in the festivities is actress Fatima Sana Sheikh. The beauty announced on social media that she has tested positive for the virus. I have tested positive for COVID-19 and currently following all the precautions and protocols and have been home quarantining myself, she said in a post that extended her gratitude towards all those wishing her a speedy recovery. Another social media post making waves on the gram was a rare upload by Rhea Chakraborty. The star had everyone sitting up and analysing and reanalyzing her post that was all about love. Hashtag love is spa, love is a fabric which never fades no matter how often it is washed in the water of adversity and grief. Robert Fulghum. Rhea captioned the picture that saw her with Sankiyak producer Nidhi Parmar Hiranandani. Some more pics winning hearts on the web were these gorgeous clics of Dia Mirza living it up in Maldives with husband Vaibhav Rekhi and stepdaughter Samaira. Dia shared a series of happy memories from the popular beach destination and captioned it saying, "We made some really special memories in Maldives." Another star couple making memories together was Arjun Kapoor and Malaika Arora. This time around, the two turned photographers for each other and proudly shared the photos for all to see, while Arjun clicked Malaika while she took a stroll in the park. His lady love returned the favor by clicking him as he dished out fitness goals and skipped by the poolside. Meanwhile, far away from B-Town, a video of a brawl outside Delhi's mall went viral and it was being alleged that Ajay Devgan was a part of it. However, RBs did some digging and found out that these reports were far from the truth. Post the promotion of Tanaji the Unsung Warrior in January 2020, actor-filmmaker Ajay Devgan has not visited Delhi. So reports of a brawl involving the superstar outside a Delhi pub are absolutely baseless and untrue, said Devgan's reps in a statement to RBs. It was further revealed that Ajay has been busy with multiple projects and has not even visited the capital for the past year. That's all for today, honey buns. We'll be back tomorrow with a lot more. Till then, bye-bye.